everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing another wig review. I have a wig here from UNiceHair. They sent me this glueless vpart Chrissy approved wig. But this is literally a foolproof, beginner friendly wig install. All you need to do for prepping is have your hair in some cornrows, but you need no glue, no gel. You can do your edges if you want. I'm going to do my edges for the sake of this video. And so there's no lace. If you have trouble with lace, frontals, you ain't got to worry about that with this wig. And without further ado, let's hop right into the review. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a little unboxing, but this is how the packaging came. As you can see, it's super nice. The box was made out of such a good material. And as you can see next to the box, it also came with a hairbrush, but here I'm just showing you the box and its detailing and opening it up. So it pops open just like that, and on the inside you can see there goes the wig. It was a super long unit. You guys can't see how long it is right now, but it's 22 inches, and yeah. So I'm just showing you guys how the wig came. As you can see, there goes the tag for it right there. And we also have a little goodie bag. I'm going to show you guys this at the end, but as you can see, it has a ton of stuff in it. We also got a wig cap as well. And we also have this thing, which I wasn't quite sure what it was. But if I was to guess, I think it's for parting your lace. But like I said earlier, this unit has no lace on it. And it also came with this satin bag. This bag, guys, was so soft and silky. Like, it honestly felt like I was like laying on clouds. It was so soft. But I'm just closing up the box, and I'm going to show you guys the hairbrush that they sent me as well. This hairbrush was super nice, super durable. And guys, by the way, I just want to remind you, the only thing I thought that was coming was this wig. So all this other stuff, all these goodies and stuff, I did not pay for, I did not order. I had no idea they were coming, and they just packaged this with so much love and care. You could really tell that they were trying to make me feel special, and I really appreciate that extra effort. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys this goodie bag now. Like, you thought it was over? It was not. We have this little gift bag, and it came with another wig cap, as you can see right there. Never can have too many of those. And it came with a UNiceHair band to go around and lay your lace if you had any lace. And also a pair of lashes. I don't wear lashes, but I thought these were super nice. And also this thing, I did not know what it was at first, but as you can see, I figured it out. It's actually a brush. You like push it down and the brush pops out, but the brush is super soft, super silky, and super high quality. But yeah, you're gonna see me struggling a bit to figure out how to open it, but once I figured it out, it was super easy. Just took me a second. There we go. Yep, you see, you slide it right down, the brush comes out. There you go, Heaven, good job. And yeah, that's all the things that came in this box. Alright, so as you can see, it came with so much stuff, y'all. Like, I literally felt like I was being spoiled. Like, I have never had a wig company ever send me this much stuff. The shipping literally came in like 3 or 5 days. It was super fast. Everything was packaged completely fine. Nothing was damaged. And like, bro, the packaging, 10 out of 10. Like, they really outdone themselves. They really make you feel like valued as a customer. And honestly, French kiss. Like, anyway. But with that said, let me take the wig out and show you guys what the wig looks like. Alright, so I have the wig right here. As you can see, it's giving bounce. It's a little curly wig. It comes in the net, so I'm just going to take it out the net. Wow! Like, y'all, the thing keeps focusing on my face, but look at this. Look at this wig, y'all. Like, right out the box. Tell me a wig that you got that came right out the box like this. Look at, bro, the color. It's so soft, y'all. Like, running my fingers right through it. Look how long. Y'all, stop playing with me. Anyway, it comes with this right here. Some stuff on the wig cap. Let me just take all that off. All right, so, and here we have the actual unit right here. All right, y'all, so as you can see, there's literally no lace on here. This is the inside. It's constructed like a regular wig. It has the clips right here. This is what you're gonna put on your cornrows. I'm just gonna show you. They literally snap open like that, and then you push them down inwards and they snap closed again. So that's how you secure your wig, and it's gonna go like that. And yeah, I got some combs on the inside. And that's pretty much it as far as the construction. But let me actually show you guys how you put this thing on. All right, y'all, so to put this thing on, you're gonna see me, I'm gonna leave those 2 braids out and I'm gonna put it on these 2 braids I'm showing you here. So the 2 braids in the middle of my head, I'm not gonna clip the combs, but I'm gonna clip the combs on the braids next to them, which you're about to see.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. Bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When it be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking ain't like that I mean. Baddest bitch out, you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. I'm in a check, blow they need me. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. Bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You in my body, he telling me please. I won't compass me, sniffing my breeze.
Alright, y'all, so it was a bit of a learning curve, but I got the wig on. So as you can see, I'm leaving these 2 braids right here open and exposing. I'm going to have that be my middle part right there, but we're going to be trying the crochet method. So I did not come up with this. I got this from another YouTuber, so I'm going to link her channel down below. But basically, I'm going to be crocheting the hair over these braids so it looks more natural and you're going to be able to see this middle part. But I'm going to show you guys. It's kind of hard to explain, so I'm going to show you guys how that works. So for this part of the wig, I'm just going to take the crochet hook. I'm going to put it underneath the braid like that. And I'm going to take a small piece of the curly hair. So make sure you part it before you actually put it on the crochet hook because it makes it easier and it won't get all tangled. So I have my crochet hook right there. I'm going to put the piece of hair in there. Close the hook, pull it through, and bring it around. Just like that. So as you can see, I pulled it over and now it's over the braid. This is a bit easier with curly hair because it has more volume and it's easier to hide the part. I'm going to do that all the way down to the braid till I get to the end of the comb, and that's practically it. I'm going to show you guys a few more times, hopefully at some better angles.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. Bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When it be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking ain't like that I mean. Baddest bitch out, you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks.
Alright, y'all, so I have the wig completely on. This is what the top looks like. I definitely think that it's definitely a learning curve, but I think it looks really good. This is what the back looks like. Alright, period. It's giving volume. So I got this wig sent to me in 22 inches. I'm gonna have more info down in the description box below on how to purchase it, where to find it, and all that good stuff. But literally, this is it. This is the wig. As you can see, you clip it right on. You can do the crochet thing to hide it. If you really don't want to do the whole crochet process, because I know it can take a bit, you can literally just, instead of putting the clips on the 2 outer braids and leaving the 2 braids exposed, you can put the clips right in the middle, so then you don't have to do any crocheting.
Too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that job. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I feel the request was way too sexy. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected.
I just think I like this method more because it definitely looks a bit more natural, and you can repeat this on any part of your head. So if you want to do a side part, you can do it the same method, just put it on the side of your braid, leave 2 exposed, and then do the whole crochet method. Yes guys, this is so cute. Of course, I showed you guys the no leave out method, but you can definitely do a leave out with this style. I have 4C here, so there was no way a leave out was about to be possible for me, but you can definitely do a leave out with this. Instead of doing the crochet, you can take those 2 braids out and then just do a leave out like that and do a U part if you want. Yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, as you can see, I didn't even do my edges, but it looks so not.
Bitch, on my body, I get what I want, like. Bitch, stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When it be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat.
Let me know how you guys are feeling about it down in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.